Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. This is the Aquaglide Deschutes 110. Recently acquired, I got it on a bargain deal, managed to get it for 360 quid, brand spanking new. Taking it out for its inaugural paddle today. Let's have a quick shufty at it before I go out. So, carry handles, 1, 2, 3, 4, bungee cord, all nicely sealed. Obviously gives you some extra tie out points there too. There is a riser at the front here with an insert just to give that splash skirt a bit of a lift. Obviously there's a bit of my kit in here. This has an EVA floor which is like foam rubber. I'll show you the underside of that in a minute. That is a solid footrest that's permanently installed. Comes with this hard foam seat. Don't think I'm going to get on with that. Got these nice plastic clips so it doesn't wear on the boat. Nice touch. This is like a bolster, and this is what gives the floor a bit more rigidity, because you inflate this to 2.5 psi and it pushes the sides out. Halky Roberts chambers, tells you on there, inflate to 3 psi. This is Duratex, Aquaglide's kind of standard material. Bungee at the back, as I say, carry handle. Oh look, a serial number. Let's have a look underneath. So underneath, that Duratex extends all the way around, so the floor is nicely protected. Haven't got the fin in today, comes with a weedless fin. The reason I haven't got it in is because we are doing some potentially whitewatery shallowy bits. There is a bit of a guider at the front there as well, and also at the back there is a drain plug. One of the things I forgot to mention, it's got hard plastic bow and stern noses, ends, you know what I mean. Let's get this thing on the water. Woohoo! I am enjoying this Deschutes and I'm not missing the drop stitch floor. It feels alright, this EVA floor, feels good. Oh, this Deschutes handle's nice. I mean, I know I've got the skeg in it so it's turning really easy, but still it paddles, if you know what you're doing with the paddle, it paddles straight. You know, even without a skeg. So this Deschutes, obviously this is only the first time I've had it out. It's had a bit of a good test really, because been down some grade 1 whitewater, which has been a lot of fun. Done a weir with it, also a lot of fun. It is nimble. Obviously I haven't got the skeg in, I've mentioned that already. Yeah, do you know what, it's nimble, it's fast. I haven't actually got my speedo on today, so I can't tell you how fast it's actually been. Hello, this is future me. What I'm going to do is I'm back out in the Deschutes on the Leeds-Liverpool Canal. I'm going to do a bit of a speed test here. So, let's go. So I'm just going to get up to speed and then see where we're at. So if I'm just paddling steady away like this and I'm not really pulling that hard, I'm doing about 3.7 miles an hour. If I just ease up a little bit and just kind of saunter it, drop down to 3.3. And do you know what? That's very respectable for a one-person craft. Very respectable. Yeah, that's not bad. So let's see what happens if I give it a bit of more pull. I'm going to upset the geese, but who gives a toss? So I've got it up to 4.2. I did not expect this, to be honest. 4.2. 4.3, 4.4, 4.3, 4.4. 4.3, 4.4 miles an hour. That was giving it a bit of a heavy draw. Pretty good, very respectable. But it's been doing alright, I've been impressed with it. Granted, we're going with the flow. But even against the wind it wasn't too bad. Yeah, I am really enjoying this. I'm not missing a drop stitch floor. I've not found that an issue at all. Not found it hard to keep pace with everybody else with drop stitch floors, that kind of thing. It's light. Yeah, there's a lot to be said. I like this. You're going to see this in future videos. The big selling point for me for this is winter paddling. I'm not a fan of the two-piece boats in winter paddling, you know, where you've got a separate floor chamber, because they need a lot of airing and they need more maintenance. This is just wiped down, a bit like the Ottawa, a bit like Cassie, because that's similar really, the Aquamarina Cascade. Easy maintenance for winter paddling, and yeah, I like that. So you'll be seeing more of this. Good boat, Aquaglide. I like it. I might even try the 130 if you do me a deal. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you've got a Deschutes, so if you've got any questions about it, by all means ask. And if I can answer them, I will.